Hello everybody, hello my partner Dan. It's your time to go back to Brazil, I know. First of all, I want to congratulate you because I know that it's a big achievement for you to stay in Vancouver. It was a dream for you as it was for me, and you have worked hard for that. You had planned to have this trip a long time ago, and now you can see that you succeeded in that. In second place, I want to congratulate you because you also were a good friend for many people. You succeeded in make people happy. You were always a good friend, always a good partner, and always a good classmate. We could learn things together, and I thank you because you were a good friend of mine, and I'm sure we will still be friends here in Brazil. You have a really big heart, and I know that you can achieve everything you want in life, because if you do good things to other, good things will come to you for sure. So it's time to come back to Brazil. I know that you will come back a little bit different person. I know that you learned a lot in Vancouver and made a lot of friends. And I miss you, and I miss you all my friends. I love Vancouver and I love you all. I miss you a lot. Bye bye and good trip, good luck